Hello everybody, this is Suguwa, an amateur VTuber, and I'm glad to be back again on my YouTube channel. Yeah, you don't see me a while. I don't even write it in on my discussion tab and even the Mastodon account, but whatever, it's fine. I'm still healthy, and let's move forward because you are not going to hear ranting. Okay, so I'm going to show to you how to show or hide Windows updates, aka block Windows updates pretty easily using this Microsoft app. So I'm going to show you how. So first, you need to grab this apps called wushowhide.diagcab. W that stands for Windows Update. Okay, and also now you have already arrived at this troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. So it says show or hide updates. So what you need to do is click on the advanced and tick this apply repairs automatically. So make sure it's already has the check mark and click next and let it scans for a little bit a while hit there. So I'm going to see you after it has already complete because it depends on your hardware specs. Is it fast? Is it slow? And that you yourself already noticed. Oh, and also it's already done, so no point to pause. Okay, so it already says show or hide updates. So on this side, this page, there is option here. It's either hide updates or show hidden updates. But since I don't have any hidden updates so far, aka block updates, so I just click hide updates. Okay, and this is the specific one. You can click whatever you want to hide. For example, like this one you can, but in this case I'm going to click the check mark, click the box here. So I want to hide this 2024-01 security update for Windows 10 version 22H2. 22H2. Hopefully you can hear it. Because why? Because it doesn't work pretty well. Download, install, it doesn't work. And if I remember correctly, you need this specific partition that you need to configure it, which I'm not going to risk it for the sake of my data, especially my usage right now. I'm using SSD. Yeah, I'm not going to risk out. So even with hard drive, the procedure is also same. I'm not going to risk it, so I just click next here. I've already checked it, mark here, and that's it. It will hide the updates for me. So we'll be back again soon. Okay, and now it says troubleshooting has completed. So as long as it has properly applied your update, and it says, let's say here, and it says fix and green tick mark or check mark, that's it, it's done, and you can just close the troubleshooter or click close. Any two works. And now if you want to hide the updates, just as usual, you just need to relaunch it again, relaunch the apps, and also make sure check again on the advanced, apply repairs automatically, and click next. Okay, give it some time, and we'll be back again. Okay, and now we're back again on the show or hide updates. So here, because I've already hide updates before, okay, blocking it, so I just click show hidden updates. Okay, this is for if you want to show your updates pretty well, and click here, check mark it on what updates you want to show it again. In this case, I want to show again that 2024-01 security update for Windows 10 version 22H2. So click next. But yeah, I'm going to hide it again after this video, okay? And give it some time, we'll be back again. Okay, and we are back, and it says troubleshooting is completed. So as long it has solved, it says fix and green tick mark or check mark. That's it, it's done, and you can just close the troubleshooter or close. Either two is good, so I just close it, and that's it, guys. Pretty simple. So I hope this short tutorial helps you. Okay, and that's all. Thanks everyone. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll be back with new videos. So that's it. Bye bye. See ya later. Okay. 3, 2, 1.